Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to make our password invisible on our lock screen and everywhere else where we use our phone password. So right now we have password set up on our phone. So as you can see, we have a few seconds that our password is visible. A little after effect. How to turn it off to make it a little bit more secure? We need to go to settings, security and privacy, and a little bit down we have other security settings. And here at the top we have make password visible. By default it's turned on. To turn it off we simply tap it once, and now let's see how our passwords look like right now. As you can see, there is no after image, no shadow, nothing at all. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.